The aircraft fuel system comprises of fuel tanks, normally one located in each wing, left and right wing, a fuel selector, which has a number of positions: off, left tank, right tank, and possibly both, and fuel gauges, normally one for each wing tank, and they are situated on the instrument panel. Monitor your fuel burn throughout the flight, and if it appears that fuel flow or fuel rate usage is higher than expected, it could be due to a fuel leak or even a fuel tank cap being left off at the last refueling.